Hello, everyone. Pray that all is well with you and yours. And today is just another day to create another tablescape. It's Tablescape Tuesday. And on today's episode, I'm so excited once again to share with you my Majestic Purple Garden Tablescape. It's full of plum and lavender tulips and hydrangeas, and it has just a touch of a vintage flair. I know that you're going to enjoy this one, so you gotta stay tuned. So guys, I have really enjoyed creating this tablescape, and I hope that you have enjoyed it also. This tablescape is dedicated to a new YouTube sister that I have gained in the past several weeks, and her name is Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. And if you have not yet seen her videos, I suggest that you do so. Go over and visit her channel. Courtney, I know how much you love purple, and I thought I would dedicate this tablescape to you. So folks, if this happens to be your first time here, thank you for visiting the channel. I'm so glad that you stopped by. And if you have not yet done so, you want to subscribe. I upload a video every Tuesday with a different theme, and I would love to have you visit once again. Hope to see you on next week. Have a great week, everybody. God bless.